I don't know what her process was there. That's something I'm hoping we'll find out through discovery, put together this timeline better. We've been trying to do the best we can with the information that we get from patients.
Lawyer Justin Eart has filed a civil case against Asante nurse Dani Schofield. Newswatch 12 learned that the civil case will have to wait to go to trial until Schofield's criminal case has ended. The former Asante nurse's indictment accuses her of diverting patients' fentanyl medication and replacing it with tap water. The Medford Police Department says those actions made people sick. Newswatch 12 has been following Schofield's case very closely. She has expressed that her Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination should allow her to defend herself in a criminal case without her comments being used her in her civil cases. Another decision was made in court yesterday, prolonging Schofield in his courtroom. This morning, Newswatch 12's Rocky Walker has an update on her civil case.
These two issues are entirely related. Those Fifth Amendment privileges are going to blanket essentially all on behalf of my client's interaction. So the burden is great because of the severity of this criminal matters.
Representatives for the estate of Horace Wilson, representatives for Schofield, and representatives for Asante met today in front of Judge Benjamin Bloom, with the defense asking for a stay of their case. For Schofield's defense, it was because of her right to the Fifth Amendment and claims of overlap between cases. For Asante, they say Schofield's use of the Fifth Amendment would leave their hands tied in their defense.
For us, the invocation of those rights will have a negative impact on Asante's ability to defend itself against these claims.
The judge ultimately decided the protection of Schofield's Fifth Amendment right was too important than to allow the civil case to continue at the moment.
I'm going to grant the stay. And in doing this, I'm doing so because Fifth Amendment rights that the defendant, Ms. Schofield, loses are incredibly significant.
The judge expressed empathy towards the Wilson family and estate and says that holding off the civil case until the criminal one is over may even help the case, but their lawyers disagree.
Once the criminal action does proceed and once that ends, now the civil case would be up again, and the problem with that is we lose a lot of access to witnesses, we lose a lot of access to some of those documents, and waiting longer than now is going to prejudice plaintiff versus prejudice defendant.